Hi guys, it's your girl Steph, and it is weird. It is so weird. I'm not always gonna introduce my videos like this. I just want you people to know that I hope you're all okay. That's all. I just want you to know that I hope you're all okay. Do you know what I mean? Wherever you are. So I guess let's lighten the mood a little bit with something that's just absolutely selfish. So selfish right now. Let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna first start off with accessories. I have to, and ooh, I got two new shoes. One came in this big box, cute, and one came in this little box. And I'm just like, I don't have like a day and night feet size, no. Alright, so let's start off with this box. These are the Z Code Z Nola strappy white heels. Look at all this strap. Look at this bondage situation of just divineness. Okay, look, I always despised the kitten heel vibe. I hated it. I thought it was ugly. I thought it was grandma. I was like, ugh, get it away from me. And I still do hate kitten heels, but the only thing is I hate the nipply ones. You know what I mean? Like the These ones are not thin. They're thick. They're thick but thin. Does that make sense? These are just a structural, magnificent thing. I have never had shoes from this brand before, but when I saw these bad boys, I just said yes. They are faux leather, but I do just love these straps. Look at that length, bro. This is going up my booty. I just think these are stunning. I do need to try them on though. Okay, so like I'll just do cutaways of me trying them on. This is unboxing, y'all. This is unboxing. We unboxing. And then I do love this kind of extra just detail of the white at the back. So these were £28. I got them in a size 7. And bro, I think that my favorite thing about this is that they come with like beautiful, focus damn it, these beautiful silver tips. Okay, this is the next one. Oh, sorry, so much bloody packaging. So, oh my lord, look at these. These ones are faux leather as well with super long straps. Who doesn't bloody love that? Now, what's quite nice about this one is that they seem to be quite adjustable. I also got these ones in a size 7. Now, I really like these ones. And these ones are a little bit cool. Like the heel itself, if you can see, is like a semicircle moon. And I quite like that. That's so flat at the back. Look at them. It's got a little knotted at the top. Aww. Oh, it's so cute. Now, these ones aren't stitched, so they better hold. Now, these were originally $29.99. I did get them on discount for $23.50. And yep, size 7. And you know what? They're fire. So next in accessories, I got three new sunglasses. 3. I got 3. But they're all different. Do you know what I mean? They're all different. They're all so different. And one of them is hella different. Let's start with the ASOS one, shall we? These ones are divine. I actually saw them after I previously bought a similar style but in a different color. If you guys have watched my Valentine's lookbook, you'll see me wearing like one of my first outfits, this beautiful like really retro square neon green style glasses, and I just had to, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, wow. Now these ones are the ASOS design. They're like mid square sunglasses in Milky Tort. These were £12, and boy, do you know what? They're fire. These are, yeah. Let's do the Quay Australians. I'm gonna wait to last for the Les Specs one. Are you ready? Ooh, look at them. Oh my god, this is giving me some Forrest Whitaker blue pill or the red pill. Oh god. Oh my god. Hello. These are the Quay Australia. I think they're called the Autopilot Mini Oval Sunglasses in black. I did buy these for £18 and they were originally £45. But they are now out of stock. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. So now is the Les Specs, baby. Oh, enjoy. We are less specs. Oh, that's so cute. Cleaning and care. What a nice thing. It's such a shame that I'm actually, oh, that's quite strong. Such a shame I'm really, really bad. Actually, no, that's a lie. I'm very good at keeping sunglasses cases. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. Wow. What was I saying? Wow. Oh, yes. I'm actually quite good at keeping sunglass cases. I have like a gigantic drawer full of them. Is there more stuff in here? Bloody hell. Oh, okay. Wow, this is unreal. But they look small. Oh no, they look small. Oh, and I've got such a big ass head. These are unreal. And do you know what their name is? Their name, oh my god, I got them out of it! These are the Specs Unreal Square sunglasses in blue. Now, it does say that it's technically not blue, it's teal. Oh, unreal teal! That's amazing. Yeah, unreal in teal. All right, so let me just tell you first, these were originally 75 pounds. Do you know how much I got them for? Do you know? Do you want to know? I'll tell you, because you're not telling me anything. You're not telling me not to tell you. I got them for £37.50, bro. Oh my god, are you ready? Oh, Jesus. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, and I can actually see myself quite well. Do you know what I mean? Like, I can see what's going on. Oh. They're like weird, but they're sick. Why is it that I like to wear sunglasses in a way that defeats their purposes? I like to put them down here and just be like, that's not helping me. I'm still going blind. And I love this silver detailing. I'm a silver girl. And these are my first ever Specs. I keep hearing wonderful things about them. People just going mad for them. And I'm obsessed. You can tell I've been inside for too long. Okay, accessories done. Finito, innit? Okay, I guess maybe I'll go for the smaller item first, and the more like basics. So, first things first, I did get a bikini. Haha, Corona Beach Body. I'm sorry, I saw them and I actually thought they were stunning. And the really hard thing is that after my trip to Mauritius, my white bikini that I wore got destroyed. I brought it back and I put it in the wash and it went brown. And I'm like, so I just got these. Now these are from the Delilah Bell style edits, and when I saw them on her, I was like, baby girl, I need this body and I need this suit and I need to just dab off all of this oil. Better. These are both the ASOS Design Recycled Mix and Match V-Panel bikini bottoms and bikini brand top. They are separate. The bottoms were £10 and the top was £14, and I got them both in a size 10. Wait, which way? Oh yeah, this. Isn't that so sexy? Do you quite like this weird kind of random attached gathered piece, if you can see what I'm talking about? Where just like this really weird, let me cover my face, random gathered bit. Damn, this is long. Whoa! I didn't expect it to look like this, but wow, this is so, do you know, this is so James Bond-esque. I have really big rib cage. I don't know if I even should have gotten a size 12, but then it would have been too big on the boobies, and I don't have no boobs, but I just got ribs. I just got ribs and cage. Oh, but that is so pretty, and it's got that kind of gathered kind of effect. So altogether, that was about £24. Very cute bikini. Do not regret. Okay, next thing I got was this basic crop top from ASOS Design. Now look at that. Look at that. Oh, is it the right size, bro? Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I've got such broad bloody shoulders. Oh, but the arms look very long though. I have always wanted a white turtleneck top. I am also terrified to own this. I feel like it is like having a child. I do not want to mess this up. Oh my god, but it is so nice. It's quite a nice length as well. It's not too cropped. And what's really, really nice about this is that it also has, I think apparently, oh yeah, it does, it has thumb holes. Now this was just £12 and I got this in a size 10. This is gonna be so cute. The reason why I did buy this, I bought this so I could wear it underneath stuff and layer it to give me that like really, really cool like e-girl look, you know? Since I'm showing you this, let me show you what I kind of wanted to wear on top of it, okay? Now this, you guys should know by now that I'm obsessed with reclaimed vintage. You just should know. Oh, almost everything else I have is going to be Reclaim Vintage. I have 4 Reclaim Vintage items, and this is one of them. I have been eyeing up this for so long. I've just been a bit, you know, when you're just scared and then you're like, coronavirus, and then you're just like, life is short. Let me just enjoy it. There's something I like. Let me do it now. Now let me show you. Look at this sick ass shirt. Amazing. This is the most gangster thing. It's not the most gangster thing, but it's the most sickest thing ever. And look, just wait, ready? Ready? Look at the back. I just thought this paired with this was just gonna be a vibe, because I like me some long ass big shirts. I'm a big girl, okay? This, oh my god, this looks amazing. Oh my god, this looks amazing. So I got this in an extra large from Reclaim Vintage, £35. Now this is the Reclaimed X Smiley collaboration. It's just got all these amazing smiley prints all over around it, and it feels good. It feels really good. Now my only fear is that because this feels so plasticky, I am gonna be really scared when I wash this bad boy. I feel like it's gonna crack and I'm gonna cry, but I also just think this is the sickest thing, and I did not want to miss out on enjoying myself and having a good time inside of my house, probably. But this is sick. I think this with some cycling shorts and this, and then some Doc Martens is just a vibe. I ordered 2 very basic things from Reclaim Vintage as well, but I've been eyeing them up for a very long time. And I just said to myself, I need these. I need these. I want these worn looking old homeless-esque men's shirts. Okay? So I got 2. And they're very similar. They are similar. They're just different colors. But they're not even that different colors. So I'm just like, Steph, are you okay? So I got these amazingly oversized, and I think they're called OverDyed Reclaim Vintage tees. Both in size L's. Now this one is so Yeezy-esque, isn't it? It's amazing. I do just love this oversized and overdyed look. So this is the gray. I believe it's a gray color. No, it's called charcoal, and it really does look like charcoal. It's stunning. Now I did get this for £20, which is is that quite a lot? Is that quite a lot for like a really basic shirt? But it also feels like it will last me some hella time. Or maybe that's just because I bought stuff from Collusion, and Collusion was like £5. Do you know what I mean? For an oversized shirt. So I'm just like, but I just wanted this. I just think this is stunning. I even think this would go so nice with that white turtleneck, or if I can, get this exact same turtleneck in black. Now this is the khaki version. Yes. Oh yes. Oh, it's like your boyfriend's shirt. Do you know what I mean? Really do love it. £20 as well. Size large as well. Alright, so the last thing I got from Reclaim Vintage, which also made me not feel too bad about all those other stuff at Reclaim Vintage, was this. Are you ready? Now this dress is just, it's too good to be true, because I did get this dress for £9 and it was originally £30, and I got it the exact size I wanted, and I thought it was exactly a vibe, but I thought it was sick, and yeah. And let me show it to you. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I got this dress. This contrast neon stitch with silver button detailing and a sweetheart neckline in retro denim. Bella Hadid vibes. Bella. Got it for £9. Size 10 from Reclaim Vintage. And wow. But the thing is, look, it even has back pockets. I can put stuff in my back pockets. Yeah, good. I'm glad I finished that sentence. It's stretchy. What's wrong with people? What's wrong with this? What's wrong with it? Why don't people like it? It's stunning. It's really stunning. It's so stunning. I just developed a stutter. Okay, last but not least, because this is just a lot of, yeah. Very Bella Hadid vibes. Oh, I do love Bella Hadid. Let me know if you guys want me to do a Bella Hadid lookbook, because I feel like I could do one, especially with this item here. Oh, show you a little bit. Now this was also another item in the Delilah Bell's style edit, and when I saw this I went nuts. I just was like, this is actually what triggered me to buy everything else, and I'm so glad I did, because I think it's already sold out. Is this blazer dress. Now, okay, now as you're looking at it, it looks ugly, you know. But then again, I'm also so scared because this girl was so beautiful. And I'm just like, will anything that this girl is wearing look good on me? So we will see. And it comes with this suit, like, Jesus, crazy long belt. I'm gonna need to figure out how to wear this. Kind of almost American Gangster vibe. And it's got this very gorgeous charcoal grey pinstripe going through it. And so does the belt to match. Now I do love the silver detailing. You guys know I'm a girl that needs my silver. But I just thought this was beautiful. Now I got this in a size 10. And this does look big. But I think the whole point is that it's oversized. This I did pay £55 for. It's the most expensive thing I bought. Oh my god, she's so stunning. That's it. That's all the stuff I bought. I spent quite a bit of money. I did. See you guys in the next one. The weather just got real ugly. Like filthy ugly. Like, ugh. It's time. Anyway, bye.